Hello and welcome to BoardgameNinja. Today we're going to show you how to play Tulikko. Deep in the forests of Finland lives the fire fox, also known as the Tulikko. Legend tells that sparks fly from its tail, creating the northern lights in the sky. In Tulikko, you collect forest tiles to build your wilderness map, please the animal spirits, and form the great river that runs through the forest. The first player to place all of their spirit animals and all of their river tokens wins the game. Tulikko is for 2 to 4 players, takes about 20 minutes to play, and is suitable for spirits aged 8 and up. Each player chooses a wilderness map with a spirit animal. The matching 12 animal tokens and 6 river tokens form that player's total supply for the game. Next, take 12 forest tiles with your animal spirit on the back, shuffle them, and place them face down in a personal stack next to your wilderness. Also create a separate stack of the 12 neutral forest tiles. Place the main board in the center of the table. Slide 5 random neutral forest tiles into the board from any side. The center tile remains hidden. Each player then draws 1 neutral forest tile and places it on any space in their wilderness. Return the remaining neutral forest tiles to the box. Shuffle the 3 different landscape cards separately and draw 1 of each. These cards show specific patterns you can form in your wilderness. When you complete one, you place 2 of your animal tokens on the card, reducing the number you still have available. Each player may fulfill each landscape card only once. Place the 4 symbol cards next to the landscape cards. Divide the 8 Aurora tiles into 4 piles by color, placing the 4 tile at the bottom and the 3 tile on top of their tiles. The youngest player goes first. You're ready to start the game. On your turn, you must complete 3 actions. First, turn over the top tile from your personal pile and slide it into the central board from any of the 4 sides. A tile is pushed out on the opposite side. Take this tile. Second, place this tile in your wilderness. You must place it on an empty space with the same symbol as the exit where the tile was pushed out. If you don't have any empty spaces with that symbol, you must discard the tile. If the forest tile you place is adjacent to another tile already in your wilderness, you may place tokens. When the 2 forest tiles are different, you may place a river token between them. When they are the same, you may place an animal token instead. Sometimes you can place multiple tokens in one turn. Placing tokens is always optional. For example, you might skip placing tokens to complete an objective instead. Once you skip placing tokens, you cannot change your mind later in the turn. Third, check whether you have completed 1 or more objectives. There are 3 types of objectives. 1. Landscape cards. Each player can complete each landscape card, river, color and shape, only once per game. If you complete the pattern shown on a card, place 2 of your animal tokens on it. You may rotate the pattern, but you may not mirror it. This river card requires you to connect 2 adjacent edges of your wilderness with a continuous river of at least 4 river tokens. This shape card requires a row of 4 different forest tiles. A column also counts. If you complete multiple objectives in one turn, place all tokens. 2. Symbol cards. Each symbol card can be claimed by only 1 player. If you have covered all 5 symbols on your wilderness map with forest tiles, place 2 animal tokens on the corresponding symbol card. 3. Aurora tiles. When you have placed 3 forests of the same color, you may take the 3 Aurora tile of that color. The next player must place 4 forests of that color to take the second Aurora tile. A player can have only 1 Aurora tile of each color. Aurora tiles grant a bonus that can be used at any time during this or a future turn. Flip the tile to its inactive side and apply the effect. One bonus lets you place 2 animal tokens on a landscape card that you have not completed yet without meeting its requirements. Another lets you place a forest tile you just took from the central board on any empty space in your wilderness, ignoring symbol restrictions. The game ends when a player has placed all of their animal tokens and river tokens. Finish the round so all players have taken the same number of turns. The game also ends after 12 rounds when players run out of forest tiles in their personal piles. In either case, count 2 points for each unplaced animal token and 1 point for each unplaced river token. The player with the lowest score wins. In case of a tie, the player with the largest uninterrupted zone of a single color wins. This is how you play Tulikko, chasing the northern lights in the Arctic Circle. We hope you enjoy the game and don't forget to subscribe for more explainer videos about cool board games. See you next time. Bye!